Hi guys, Neil Waterhouse. In this week's quick video, I'll show you why after 24 years of selling on eBay, we no longer use automated eBay listing software. And stick around to the end of the video and I'll show you a much better and a far more profitable way to fully automate your eBay business. If anybody new to this channel, my name is Neil Waterhouse. I've been selling on eBay for 24 years. I'm the author of $1 Million eBay Business from Home. So let's launch straight into it. Automated eBay listing software, of course, sounds awesome. The theory that you can just simply push a button and the listing software automatically lists tens or hundreds or thousands of new eBay listings. Back in the old days, you could do this, and we used to do it as well. I remember uploading 5,000 new listings from a new dropship supplier that we found, and in the first month, we got around $40,000 worth of sales. But those days are long gone. Today, especially if you're a new seller, if you suddenly upload a whole load of new listings, more than you normally upload in the previous months, this will almost certainly trigger eBay's trust and safety algorithm. And there's a very high chance that eBay will suspend your account and all your listings and request a whole load of paperwork from you. If you don't provide all the information and correct answers, eBay will ban you. eBay is continually doing everything it can to try and catch scammers as fast as possible. If an eBay account suddenly starts listing a lot more items than it normally lists, this triggers eBay's trust and safety algorithm. In the industry, this is called listing cadence. In other words, the number of new listings that individual seller normally lists. To stay under eBay's trust and safety radar, your business must ramp up, not suddenly spike up. The next reason we don't use automated eBay listing software is you compete with all the beginners and all the software that just copies and pastes. When eBay listing software and or sellers just copy and paste, everybody who does this ends up with basically the same listings. And they all just compete with each other. This is one of the reasons why over 95% of listings on eBay are not fully optimized. But there's a much better, much more profitable way. Anybody who's been following me for a while would know that I'm a huge fan of software. If I can automate a task using software, I'm on it every time. I love software and I love automation. But sometimes, for some tasks, a human is a far better option. And these days, we're all so fortunate to live in a day and age where it's so easy to employ low-cost overseas staff from $1 per hour. For optimizing eBay listings, after 24 years, I'm still yet to see any software that can optimize a listing a quarter as well as a human. This is why for years I've been saying to spend 10% of your profits on low-cost overseas staff. Every month, as your business ramps up, allocate 10% of your profits to your overseas staff. So every month you're buying more hours from your staff, so you're listing more items every month, selling more every month, and making more profits every month. This way, not only does your business ramp up and not spike up, but your listings are optimized, so you can beat all the competition that just copies and pastes. I'm not going to go into how and where to get overseas staff from $1 per hour in this video, as I've done that before in a previous week's video. But if you missed that video, I'll put a link up here and on the video and below the video. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section below. And if you found any value in this video, please give it a thumbs up as it helps the channel. And make sure you hit the subscribe button to the no fluff ad-free channel that teaches step by step how anyone can make a full-time living from the comfort of their own home. Until next week, stay safe, list more, sell more. This is Neil Waterhouse.